All right. End of the line for you. Let's go for it. Gear up. Get topside.
Check. All right.
Open up the reactor complex so we can get down to start shooting. They're supposed to kill microorganisms, but they work on the big stuff, too. They aim for the head. You outer space monster! Okay.
Well, the dimensional breach is definitely transmitting organic matter. What the hell is going on with our equipment?
They were having some problems down in the test chamber, too, but I think that's all straightened out.
That's it.
You think there's a cold beer for us at the end of all this?